Hello and welcome to the neo42 tutorials. Video 3, Workspace 1 Bridge Configuration in the Application Package Center.
To do so, we have to set up a few prerequisites. Head to your Workspace 1 console. In there, we need to create an administrator that has access. As an application administrator, you could use your own account, but for this case, we will create a new one. Go to Add and add an admin. Basic access is sufficient. I will call my service MMS service. Give it a password. Make sure that the password does not have to be changed on the next sign in. First name, I'll call it MMS. Last name, I will call it service. For your email address, you can enter whatever you want. Ensure that as an organizational group, you take one at the base level and add the application management role. I will disable notifications for this account and make sure that authentication is set to user credentials. After successfully setting up our account, we need to also have an API access key. Go to Groups and Settings, All Settings, System Advanced, API, REST API. Make sure your API access is enabled and that Authentication Basic is also enabled. To add a new API key, we'll just hit Add. It will create a new entry at the bottom, which I will call MMS Service. Make sure it is set to admin and hit Save. Copy this key, because we will need it later. Go back to your MMS instance and start configuring the bridge. Go to Edit. Take the username you created earlier and paste the API key. As for the URL, you take the URL of your instance, paste it, and add \API at the end. Run a connection test. This should be successful. Hit Save. After successfully configuring your bridge, you will be offered to import a few default pipelines, which we will do. Confirm all the pre-selected pipelines. For these pipelines, a few default configurations have to be done. For example, the organizational unit has to be chosen to which the applications will be uploaded. We will choose the base organization unit and hit Save. The Workspace 1 bridge has successfully set up.
Video 4 explains the user and group management. If you have any questions about the Application Package Depot, please contact us or visit our Neo42 community. Please find the link to the community in the video description.